So today I'm gonna show you guys how to install Texas Speed and Performance lifters, trays into a 5.3 LS motor. So I've been soaking these Texas Speed and Performance lifters overnight in some oil. We're gonna pull them all out right now. You want to soak these things so all the bearings and everything, and you just want them to be soaked so they're not, when the first startup, they're not going to be dry. You'll notice that there's this is like a flat spot here and rounded on this side, so super simple. They just go in one direction, they're in, easy. Here's a close-up of the lifters inside the tray. Okay, first one's going in. I'm gonna have to wiggle them around, get them to go in. Boom. Simple.